Yeah, g'day, it's Darren Fielder here from Redleaf Environmental along with Christina, and we're just out here on the Jimbour Flood Plains on the Darling Downs. We're conducting biodiversity surveys, so we're looking at plants and animals on the property here on the Jimbour station actually. It's all part of a program of works funded by SQ Landscapes, so thank you very much for that, and we're working in with the landowners here to help them manage their biodiversity that they have on their properties. So over these last few days we've been out here, it's been perfect weather. We've had some good rain before now, and things are things are happening, aren't they? And so, Christina, what have we been doing out here for the last few days? What sort of techniques have we been doing to try and identify the biodiversity?
We've been doing a variety of fauna surveys, so bird watching, spotlighting at night time.
Oh yeah.
Elliot trapping, so trapping small mammals, and pitfall and funnel trapping to target our reptiles. And then just active searching as we're moving through the site.
And we also have wildlife cameras, don't we, tied to trees and other places, and you got them baited or something, haven't you?
Yeah, so we've got baited wildlife cameras on the ground, and then also some in the trees to target a different variety of mammals.
So we might be getting like sugar gliders in the trees perhaps, or things like that. Hopefully we get those things. And so some of the different ways you've been finding out about our wildlife. So some of the baits, maybe little animals love peanut butter and rolled oats and honey, don't they? That's the favourite food.
So we've got those little peanut butter, oat and honey balls. Some of our camera traps in the trees we've just baited with honey and peanut butter to try and attract some nectar-loving animals.
Great. And what are some of the, maybe some of the animals we've been seeing? What are some of the things you've been getting?
So we found a planigale, some house mice, a variety of birds, so parrots, kookaburras,
and a spotted marsh frog or something like that, wasn't there?
Spotted marsh frog.
Yeah, and a few other bits and pieces. So over the course of this week, I guess, we put in that effort. You don't catch everything on the first night, do you? It takes a while to build up those species lists to know what's here. And so, in combination with all these techniques, we're hoping to come up with a fairly good understanding of what animals are living here and breeding here. And so we've actually got records of birds here nesting, aren't they? They're actually actively breeding at the moment.
Yeah, definitely. They're utilising all these beautiful hollows in these trees. Yeah,
and so as part of this program, it's a monitoring program over a couple of years now. And so the idea is just to try and work out trends in the fauna and flora that are found on the properties. So working with the landowners, SQ Landscapes is hoping to, I guess, help them understand their landscapes and their biodiversity that they have here. So we've got some other bits and pieces that we'd like to show you as well, and they will be coming as well in different videos. So thanks again for talking about that, Christina, and we hope you have found that a bit useful and interesting.